Look at you, Luna. Oh, look at you. Sunbathing, aren't you? Wow. Look at Luna. Oh, hello. You enjoying the sunshine? Uh-huh. Playing right in the sunshine. Huh, Luna? Have a look. Have a look.
Big Bird needs some sunshine, Luna. Luna, Big Bird needs some sunshine.
Look at you. Uh-huh. Playing. Relaxing in the sunshine. Playing with slippers. Oh.
Now he's been grooming again.
Wow, look at her.
To his stinkiness.
Look at her. Enjoy the sunshine. Oh, look at that toy.
You love Big Bird, don't you, Sue?
She grabbed the Big Bird.
Oh, you love him.
You like the Big Bird, huh? Huh?
Big Bird is her friend.
Where's a Big Bird, huh?
Sidekick.
Was a big cutie. Luna. Who is it? He's a sidekick. Come on, Luna. Where's a Big Bird? Look way down to the Big Bird. Big Bird is here, huh? Very Big Bird. Uh-huh.
Are you a dirt bird? Is she going to do it then?
Mm-hmm.
She's grooming him. Luna, are you grooming Big Bird, sweetheart?
She loves Big Bird.
Luna.
Yeah. Luna. Look at Luna, Big Bird.
Oh, Luna. Look, you've got your little boy Big Bird. Goofy Big Bird. Are you going to clean him? He's a dirty boy. He needs a wash. He needs a wash. Big Bird Goofy needs to be cleaned. Yes, he does. Oh, no.
Where
Just
here?
he can't function anymore. Poor Big Bird
Luna.
Goofy. Luna, something's wrong with your boy. Big Bird Goofy, he doesn't look too healthy. Luna, he wants you. Why he wants you?
Oh, he's
Big
crying for Luna.
Big Bird needs his mummy Luna. Yeah, does.
Where's the Big Bird? Oh.
Big Bird needs you, sweetie. He's seen better days, Big Bird Goofy. He's had better days by the look of him. Don't you care about Big Bird anymore? Look at him. He's miserable. He's got one eyeball. His legs are all twisted around. Don't you care about him anymore then? Listen.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.